Okay, so the first step here is to find the linear equation given 2 points. So I'll kind of go through this in some detail in case you missed it in class. Here is the example we were working with. We were given the 2 points 18, negative 2, and 15, comma, negative 3. First find slope. And slope, of course, is the change in y over the change in x. In this case, we're going to take negative 2 minus negative 3. Yikes. And going in the same direction, 18 minus 5. Negative 2 minus and negative 3 is 1. 18 minus 15 is 3, so the slope is 1/3. Now we substitute. We know that y is equal to 1/3 x plus b, but we don't know what b is. So we pick either of our 2 original points. It doesn't matter which one. Probably a tendency to pick the one with the smaller value, so I'll pick that. X is 15, y is negative 3. And we solve for b. Negative 3, subtract b equals negative 8. So our linear equation is 1/3 x minus 8. A lot of, right there. A lot of you had that. I'll do the quadratic equation in the next video, and then put it all together for the intersection in the third video. See you then.